DC types just got a knock at the door. The ring went off. Do you know what that means? It means another typewriter. Let me introduce you to my Olympia SM9. Woo woo! Gotta lift this case up. I've done a precursory cleaning. Check this out. All of the sound insulation is in good condition. Oh yeah. Gotta squeeze the case down. Oh, look at that baby go! Oh, well, looks like I'm gonna have to lube. Sometimes in these older typewriters, the keys will stick, especially if you push them. Oh, line advance is looking good. Looking like the double margins are working well. I bought this at auction, and it's super filthy and gross. In fact, let me show you. On the bottom, I pulled the case out and was like, oh, there is loads of insect activity going on all throughout this machine. Just like nasty, grimy, dusty. They didn't have the lid, the metal lid that covers it closed. I think that scared away some non-professional typewriter people. So the challenge is going to be the handle. This handle is really worn and nasty, and so I've taken off some of the bolts that hold it in place, but this thing is not going in. So maybe I can try, I don't know, wedging this thing up. Let's see here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, look at that. Got it up. Oh, that's nasty. Let's see here what we got. So, okay, we have this rather gross and disgusting handle that is, I think this is from the 1960s. I'll have to check the typewriter database. Oh, that is a scary sound when you're a typewriter professional. That sound. Not the sound. Woof. Okay, so got the handle off. So, handles come off, and as you can see, the plastic on this is toast. So I'm going to go ahead and replace these handles and treat these for rust, and I'll make an incredibly satisfying video of me derusting these. Here's the base of the case. Oh man, there were nasty insects. So many nasty insects. So I'll be cleaning that up. And then you're going to be seeing this SM9 up for sale after I put in my, 25, 30 hours. You know, I'm really disappointed. I see my competitors charging a shitload more for these, and I read what they do, what their definition of servicing is, and I'm like, yeah, you suck. That sucks. That's not right. So yeah, apparently the standard of service is far above, and I'm not necessarily seeing that in my prices, but the thing is, I love typewriters and I want to share them. So there you go, DC Types, taking you along for the adventure.